What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some news that affects the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for probable price action. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we are on weekly time frame and we have very huge sell-off from the end of October till present day for more than 51%. And it is extremely huge sell-off. And you all know that we have a crackdown that was made by Chinese government, and this crackdown negatively affect all the tech companies from China. And that's why we have this massive sell-off. And as you can see on RSI, we have the lowest RSI ever. This very low point is at 26.18 points. And we didn't have this low RSI ever. And this means this asset is extremely oversold. And this means we have very good chances to have at least a good bounce. But I will show you my forecast in several minutes and let's continue with the fundamentals. So, as you can see, Alibaba Group, through its subsidiaries, provides technology infrastructure and marketing reach to merchants, brands, retailers and other businesses to engage with their users and customers in People's Republic of China and internationally. And because this is the Chinese company, it has very strict regulation rules, and for now, these rules becomes more and more severe. And I don't want to dive deep into their financials because their financials is very good and this company is extremely stable. Let me show you just this news. And we are on Seeking Alpha. This article was published on August 27th and it's titled China expected to ban data tech heavy companies from US IPOs, Wall Street Journal says. And let me quote you these bullets. China is set to propose new rules that will ban Chinese companies with large amounts of sensitive consumer data from conducting US IPOs. China's Securities Regulatory Commission officials said that companies with less sensitive data, like pharmaceutical companies, are still expected to get approval to list in the United States, according to Wall Street Journal report. China considers sectors such as internet, telecom and education to be most sensitive because of political or national security worries, according to the report. And what are the fears, the main fears about this news? We are on TechCrunch.com and this article was published also in Friday. And let me quote you this information. In a 30-point draft guidance published on Friday, the Cyberspace Administration of China proposed forbidding companies from deploying algorithms that encourage addiction or high consumption and endanger national security or disrupt the public order. The services must abide by business ethics and principles of fairness, and their algorithms must not be used to create fake user accounts or create other false impressions, said the guidelines from the Internet Watchdog, which reports to a central leadership group chaired by President Xi Jinping. The watchdog said it will be taking public feedback on the new guidelines for a month, until September 26th. The guidelines also propose that users should be provided with the ability to easily turn off algorithm recommendations. Algorithm providers who have the power to influence public opinion or mobilize the citizens need to get an approval from the CAC. And this Friday's guidance appear to target ByteDance, Alibaba Group, Tencent and Didi and other companies whose services are built on top of proprietary algorithms. Shares of Alibaba and Tencent fell slightly on the news. And I have to say, because of this news, in my opinion, we will see next leg to the downside with the price action of BABA company. And we have to be prepared to this price action on Monday. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So let's switch to daily time frame. And right here, as you can see, we have very good reaction from this lowest point, and we had very good volume right here. This means this level is the level of interest from investors in this company. And let me show you what is this level about. We have several support lines right here. First of all was at $161.36. Second one is $152.78, and third one is at $148, roughly around this number. And these levels are extremely powerful because of, let me show it to you right here. Because if we pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, and I'm not a big fan of making like this, because we have to retrace the entire wave and we didn't finish the 5-wave structure. But still, some analysts just used this tool from swing low to swing high, and for now it is the all-time low and all-time high. And this level is 0.65 and 0.618. It is the most probable level statistically that has to have a trend reversal. And right here we have this volume, and this means we still have very good possibility to bounce back. But in my opinion, because of the latest news, we might see one more leg to the downside. And let me show you 4 hours time frame. As you can see right here, we have very good surge in price during last several sessions for about 13.5%, but then we have a decline for about 8.7%, and we still have a possibility to break these lines. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company? Basically, you have to realize all the risks. And the most severe outcome that might be for this stock is the delisting from the US stock exchange. And that's why you have to be prepared to potentially lose the entire amount of your money, because nobody knows what will happen in the future. And definitely this company for now is the most attractive company from the financial standpoint, because it has a huge discount and it has very good financials. As you can see, their latest earnings report beats expectations for more than 15%. And this company has really impressive numbers. And that's why the upside potential for this stock is really impressive. And you have to realize the risk, and you have to know your level of tolerance. And if you are comfortable with losing certain amount of money, just invest in this company and wait until we'll see some news that might be related to this company. And we have basically 2 possibilities. First of all, the most negative one is that this company will be delisted from US stock exchange, and all other cases will be very positive for the price of this stock. And that's why we have this massive interest, as you can see, according to this volume. And that's why I don't think that we might go much deeper than this level, because we have, let me show it to you right here, we have next support line at the bottom of $148 at the bottom of this price section, and next one is right here at $129.58. So we have to keep an eye on this level of around $130, because if we will break this bottom of 148, we might see this level as potential price target for this stock. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!